What's good, YouTube? SRT Dave back with another banger video for y'all. If you're new to the channel, smash that sub button, hit that like button, throw that bell on so you can see when I'm dropping new videos and more content for y'all. You know, we going up 2024, locked in, dropping content, and yeah, you definitely don't want to miss a video. We're on the road to 10K. As you guys know, we are right around 3,900 subscribers right now. Just want to take the time to say I appreciate all you guys for showing me support and asking me questions about my videos. I really like interacting with you guys and definitely hope we can do that more in the future. When we hit 10K, we're going to go crazy. I got some big plans for the channel and just hope you guys are still down to support and stick around and see what the future holds for me. Today's video, I got some POV footage of me driving on the highway. I took this footage the other day and I didn't record an intro or anything. But yeah, guys, so I'm driving on the highway. I'm not talking. It's pure straight pipe engine sound. I think it's like around 10 minutes of footage, but I'm not going to edit it and I'm just going to let it roll. You're really going to get a first-hand experience at what it's like to drive my car. And I think that's kind of a cool idea. So without doing too much talking, here's 10 minutes of point of view footage of me driving on the highway in my 2009 Dodge Challenger SRT8. Let's get it. Alright y'all, I'm back. So I hope you guys enjoyed that footage. Let me know down in the comments if you guys think my car is too loud for you to drive on an everyday basis, or if you guys think it will be better louder. Do you want to see more POV videos? Do you want to see races, car meets, mods? Let me know your thoughts, because I'm down to bring y'all whatever y'all want to see. Like I said in the beginning, 2024, we're making bangers, only bangers for y'all. We're just gonna try to keep being more consistent and try to hit that 10K sub goal. I'm probably just gonna wrap the video up here. There isn't too much else to say. Be on the lookout for the next video. Thank you for watching, and it's SRT Dave, and I'm out.